Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're still on chapter 10, part F. Hashem dwells where there is peace. When the Mishkan was built for the first time, the Torah states that the tribal leaders donated 6 wagons and 12 ox to pull the wagon. As there were 12 leaders, that would mean that every wagon was donated by 2 men. Why did they partner in their donations? Could not each have afforded his own? Sforno explains, it was a symbol of their brotherhood. Because of their brotherhood, they would be worthy to have the Shekhinah dwell among them. As the verse states, Hashem became king over Yeshurun when the numbers of the nation gathered. The tribes of Israel in unity. Sforno is teaching us that when 2 people become partners in an endeavor, they are united. This is a sign of unity, but sometimes people want the sponsorship for themselves. They crave honor and recognition and the like. Here, however, the 2 leaders of the tribes said, "We are in this together. We will each give half, and this is what Hashem wants, that people partner in doing good things." Similarly, Rav Yosef of Tranai, the Maharit, writes that Hashem specifically wanted the Mishkan, his dwelling place, to be built through a joint effort of everybody's donations. For most of the Mishkan, each Jew could donate as much as his heart desired. But for the Adamin, the foundations of the Mishkan's walls, Hashem commanded that each person must give the same amount. This is because the foundation of the Mishkan was required to be made with perfect unity, and only then could Hashem's presence dwell in it. Based on this concept, the Chida offers a new explanation of why the verse that speaks of loving your friend ends with Ani Hashem, I am Hashem. When Jews love one another, there is unity, and then Hashem wants to dwell among them. Therefore, one must love his friend, and for I am Hashem, which means my presence will rest upon you. Thanks, and we'll continue tomorrow.